Good morning guys, it's Lewis the Trail Spotter. How are you all keeping? Hope you're all doing well. So yes, this morning we are returning on the buses for my 500 subscriber special. We are getting the 59 Gemini 2 facelift from here at Harrogate to Skipton. And the reg today is BF63HCV. And yes, so I'm going to film us leaving the bus station, and then yes, I'm going to be bringing you all a canal series and filming a lot of the journey back. So yes, again, I want to thank everybody for getting me to 500 subscribers. It means so much to me that I've finally reached 500. It's amazing how you all got me to 500. Thank you all very much. So yes, the bus isn't here yet, but I would like to give some shout outs. So yeah, shout out to Jordan, Corbin, Adam Gavia, Cami Aviation, Train Map 1, RL Productions, T's Cottage Guy, and yes again, and shout to everybody else, all of you guys. Shout to all of you for getting me to 500. So yes, I shall see you when the bus starts pulling in. Ta-ta for now.